FL Megaworks.
How are we doing today, guys? Today we will be going over Milwaukee Packouts. These are like super slim profile box. Awesome box. I think I have two of these. I always say that and I end up having more. But this is the 3/8 kit I was telling you guys about. Oh man, it's amazing. Let's get right into it. So right out the box, you have yourself the pack out. I mean, what else can you ask for? But then as soon as you open it, you got the whole kit. This is it. This is what I was telling you guys about pretty much. Starting out with this Teardrop Ratchet. Oh man, it's nice. I wouldn't say it's any different than my other ratchets, my Icon ratchet, but it's like slim from here, but again, it's not anything different. I just feel, it just depends if you like these kinds of styles. To me, I feel it's the same more or less, but I do use this since it is part of the kit. And yeah, it comes with this I didn't even know it was removable until right now. I guess there's some stuff in there. I've never seen this. This is like my first time. But it comes in this little tray. It's a pretty sturdy tray. I've never taken it out of the box. This is like again my first time doing it. But the tray itself, I've used it a lot for many things. Oil changes, brake jobs, engine work, and it has lived, it has survived those leaks that I spill on there. It survived a lot of things, and it really is a good toolbox, tool tray even. But yeah, the ratchet is a good ratchet. It's got that clickety bearing they all have. Let's go into let me jump into this. It comes in with a wobble socket. Nothing special about it. I was trying to figure out if there's anything different about it, but it's really just a wobble socket. Is it called a wobble socket? I'm not sure, but it comes with this kind of socket, and then you get yourself a small extension to extend your, to get those hard to reach areas. These things, I don't know I almost want to say it's to like grab it with pliers just in case you need that extra, just that extra grip. But I've never actually used it for that. Comment down below if you know what it's for. Pretty sure it's for something though, But yeah, it comes with this extension as well with its larger brother, And I use them both a lot. I've never really used extensions when it came to 3/8, but I constantly find myself reaching for, well, it's because it's already here, so why not? You have it. The only thing I probably have never used from this box is this one. I almost wish they could have given me another extension instead of this, but it is nice. Or maybe an adapter, to jump from 3/8 to a 1/2 inch or go backwards into a 1/4 inch or something like that. I think that would have been a lot better, but hey, whenever that one time you will need it, it's gonna be there. But yeah, nice little packaging. I also like that they try to utilize as much space. They really tried to utilize all their space here. You just have this awkward like gap right here, but other than that, it's nice. And you get the sockets. You have the shallow ones, are they called, and then the long reach ones, and all of them come with this little cubic design. And I'm pretty sure it's meant to like slip on some wrenches just in case you need that extra, again, grip. I do feel like they thought it through, Milwaukee, and just this whole like kit it came with. And yeah, I've never used it for that. I usually just slip on a bar right here and then just block, just break it loose like that. But it's there if you need it. Like if you want to add a wrench or something to it, I'm pretty sure you can fit something there. I've never personally tried that. You want me to give a demo or something to see if it's for sure gonna work like that before you get it? Let me know and I will gladly do it. But yeah, it comes from sizes starting out with, is that a 6 or a 9? Yeah, it starts out at 6 and ends at 19. That's not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure most of them are like that, but there's no skip sizes. Something I really like. The etching is pretty solid. It hasn't faded. I mean, the 17, let's check out 14 because 17 and 14 are my most used ones. Yeah, look, it's dirty. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably it's my hand that shakes so much. I just realized. But yeah, 14 is dirty, but it's not like faded out. And my 13 is probably my least used one right now, and you can see it's clean and it's just there. You normally though use these more. These are good to like click on, you know. They're super secure. Look, these have that style too, that square style. It's really nice, and I also like that it's like, you know how some sockets the thing this area is like higher for some reason. These don't do that. This has enough space to put a bolt, and it goes way at the bottom, like probably like right here. So you have all of this space to fit something, you know. I'm sure none of you guys really run into that issue all the time, but that one time that you realize you need that space, it is definitely worth it. But yeah, it's nice. Oh man. It is nice. Look, this is the 14 again. My most used one, and it just has minor scratches, minor wear and tear, you know, nothing I should be concerned about. But again, I believe I got this like on December of last year. So it's lasted me a good few 6 months at least. And, you know, the month of December was my busiest month, and it really got its use when I bought it, you know, like as soon as I purchased it, you know, it got all of its use out of it. And I'm still using it, still going good. Like this is my main socket set when it comes to 3/8. You know, I really enjoy it. There's the only negative I guess I can give it is this, but that's just me nitpicking. That's my personal opinion, that it should have come with like adapters instead of this. But anything else, I mean, comment down below if you own one of these and if you would change anything, if you wouldn't change anything. But honestly, this is a home run. I almost wish they would make a 1/4 inch for this so that I could just get rid of my other tools or give them away. I kind of want to start doing that. But anyway, I wish they would have a 1/4 inch kit like this to just add on top of the box. That would be so awesome. You know, that would be it for me. Like, you know, because my 1/4 inch, I understand that they're kind of hard to like do that on because of it's too bulky. You'd have to give stuff up when it comes to a 1/2 inch. I mean, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't give you a ratchet, and if they do, it wouldn't be worth it. So if it were to have a 1/2 inch Milwaukee, just throwing it out, you know, I'm fine with you just giving me sockets. But it's one of those things too where I wouldn't get chrome sockets for 1/2 inch, you know? It's one of those things for me where it's like I don't really use chrome sockets when it comes to 1/2 inch. I usually am like the scientific term I guess is ugga dugga. I usually do that with them, so there's really no point in having chrome sockets. So I think they do have a kit like that for the 1/2 inch though, but it would be nice to see a 1/4 inch. I really hope they do that soon because I will be getting it as soon as it comes out. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly review this one. It's one of my favorite toolboxes slash kits, 3/8, anything all around. It's my favorite go-to box. Like you will always see me with this box. You know, battery changes, literally anything, it does it. And that's what you want when it comes to versatility, and that's the issue I had with the other toolbox I reviewed, is it doesn't have that versatility. Yeah, you can throw a bunch of stuff in it. Like I saw the comments for that one, that yeah, you can throw a bunch of stuff, and yeah, I agree with that, you know. But in the end of the day, like this makes me a more productive, you know, mechanic in my field Like, I know where everything is here. If I see something missing as a mobile mechanic, I see it. Whereas if I throw everything, I have to basically go in inventory and make sure I have everything. And that takes up my time. So for that reason, I feel this is a very good box. I completely recommend it. The price, I believe it is a bit pricey, but if you're thinking of getting something that you're new and you don't know what, I would strongly recommend getting the 3/8 kit, just because most people that start out, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but as a mechanic, most things you can get away with using 3/8 stuff. Brakes, oil changes, just straightforward things. Yes, tires, that requires 17, 21, 22 and all that, 19. But come on, like, most shops have that. So I do recommend this for any new mechanic that is thinking of getting something. This will be your go-to. And this will also help you with, keeping track as to what is missing. As a new mechanic, you will miss a lot of things. So it's always better to keep track on them. It takes a while to really memorize all of your tools, and I feel this is just a great way to start. But that's all I wanted to say about this. Again, favorite toolbox, favorite all of, like, just favorite. Comment down below, share your thoughts and experiences with this or any other tool I've reviewed, and make sure to like, comment, all that good stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be it, guys. Till next time, see ya.